Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video we will have an unboxing of the Intel i5 11 Gen that I bought in Amazon, and after this unboxing we will have an benchmarking using the Cinebench. We will check the performance or the points for its multi-core and a single core. So this is what inside and what you get inside the processor. So it has a pre air cooler or CPU cooler, and this is the processor. This is actually my first time having an Intel processor because I usually have an AMD processor, and I was amazed because this processor has no pins, just like AMD that it has pins, which I usually afraid of. So the processor is okay, I think, physically. And now we will open the Cinebench. If you don't have Cinebench, you can just download it and search it in Google. So once you open the Cinebench, here it is. This is how it looks. I usually use this when I'm testing a new processor, especially if you are buying a second-hand processor. I think we will begin with the testing, and we will start with the single core. If you are new, there are only two options here actually, the multi-core and single core, and we will start the single core. So let's start. The benchmarking process for the single core will take like 15 minutes to 20 minutes or 30 minutes. It's quite long, so I just forwarded this video so that we will be able to finish it fast, one tile at a time. So it means it's trying a single core. So let's just wait. If you don't want to watch this or wait for this, you can forward to another part of the video which shows the multi-core and also the result. I recommend you to do benchmarking on using this Cinebench if you have a new CPU or if you are buying a second-hand processor, since you can test here if the processor performs well. There are other apps or tools actually that you can use to test a processor or check a benchmark, but in my case I usually use the Cinebench because it's popular and usually used by gamers like me. And now we are almost done with the single core, and we will see now the points of the benchmark. So this is the points in the tank, as you can see, and now we will start with the multi-core benchmarking. So now we will just click this multi-core, and the benchmark for multi-core is quite fast compared with the single core. It will only take around 5 minutes, so you won't be tired waiting. And as you can see, there are many tiles at a time, so it will be fast, and we can now see the score or its points for multi-core. So that's it. That's the points of the Intel i5 11 Gen and Cinebench. So that's all for today, and if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the notification bell below. See you in my next video. Goodbye and God bless.